In this lesson, we will see together les indéfinis, but more precisely, we will see chacun. So, of course, the question is, what are les indéfinis? So let's try to see that together. Indefinite words in French are used to refer to non-specific or unspecified people, things, or quantities. This is the first point. Second point that is extremely important. They often express concepts like quantity, frequency, or degree without specifying exact details. And this is a key thing with les indéfinis. You don't specify exact details. And the last point, they play a crucial role in constructing sentences that refer to indefinite or unspecified concept. So clearly, if you don't really want to be specific, you will have to know and master les indéfinis. So in this lesson, we will see chacun, and the indefinite chacun can be translated to each one, everyone, or each person in English. So we will see 4 examples with chacun. Chacun a ses propres rêves et aspirations. Chacun a ses propres rêves et aspirations. Chacun est responsable de sa propre réussite. Chacun est responsable de sa propre réussite. Chacun de nous a quelque chose d'unique à offrir. Chacun de nous a quelque chose d'unique à offrir. Chacun a le droit d'avoir son opinion. Chacun a le droit d'avoir son opinion.